Hey everyone, this is Jess from Non-Techie Entrepreneur, and this tutorial is a part of the Mastering Shopify series. In this tutorial, I am going to cover how to navigate the Shopify abandoned checkouts. As you start to receive traffic to your store, you may notice that you have high traffic peaks or your live view may show customers adding to their cart but no new sales. This may cause what is called an abandoned cart. Shopify saves these and goes through a process to try and recover the carts for you. One thing to note is that in order for Shopify to save these carts, the customer has to be logged in or at least complete the first step in checkout, which is putting their email, their name, their address in. And then Shopify is able to follow up on those carts. To find where your abandoned carts are, you will go to Orders and then Abandoned Checkouts. This will bring you to the list of your abandoned checkouts. As you see here, we have an example one where we have a checkout number. We have the dates for when this abandoned cart was created, who placed the order, the email status, which is the recovery email that will be sent to this customer to try to recover this checkout. After that email is sent, this little button becomes green to let you know that it was sent. And then if the cart was recovered, you're able to see that status here. You can open up this abandoned checkout and see more information on this customer's order. You are able to email this link to them, send it to them to be able to complete this checkout. You have what they have in their cart, their subtotal, taxes, and their total for this order, and you also see the information for this customer along the side. So this is what your abandoned carts look like once they reach the abandoned checkout under Orders. So if this tutorial helped, if you are looking to learn more on Shopify, make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out the Shopify tutorial playlist that I have created with all Shopify tutorials.